Hey teachers, we've got a very easy object lesson for you this weekend. Super simple. I think you're going to really like it. So we're talking about Solomon and how he built the temple so that it could store the Ark of the Lord. And so what's really cool about this is we get to talk about the presence of God and just how cool that is. So we're going to use a fun little lesson. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring up one kid from the audience and you're going to say, all right, you have to move as many of these quarters from this plate to this plate as you can, only one hand and only one quarter at a time, and you've got 30 seconds.
Okay.
All right, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
And then you'll ask for the tech booth to go ahead and start a 30-second timer. For today, I'm gonna do it on my watch. All right, Megan.
Okay.
Yeah, we're doing it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I didn't say go, cheater. We're gonna have to stop at 29 because she started early.
I can only
You can't throw them.
You didn't say that.
Well, don't throw them. Tell the kids not to throw them. Megan has the mindset of a child, so this is good that I use her in all of my object lessons so that we can test these out. We might have to go shorter because she's gonna use all of the quarters. Quit throwing them, please. Are you doing one at a time?
Yep.
Stop. All right, she didn't use all of them, so that's good. Maybe we could spread the plates apart a little bit more if you need to. That might have helped. Megan's just a Speedy Gonzalez. So then we're gonna count. I will get a count for you so that you can just subtract. We're just gonna pretend that that's about 30. Okay, let's just say she didn't get 6 of them, so she got all but 6. Okay. Then what you're gonna do, you'll put the plates back on, put the quarters back on the plate. Then you're gonna have Megan hold her thumb like this, and you're gonna tape her hand so that this second time around, she can't use her thumb. So give me that hand, and I'm gonna tape those nice and good since you are very speedy.
6 seconds.
Well, you never know with this one. Okay, that should be good. Is it tight enough? Can you use your thumb? You better not be able to. Okay, so now you're gonna do the same thing, but you don't have access to your thumb.
Okay.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. One at a time still. Lot slower, this is better. Still throwing them, but that's okay. All right, you've got about 15 seconds left, and you can try to get the crowd into it so that they're involved as well. Having them cheer on their peer. Oh, you got it down? There you go. Okay. And time. Stop. All right. So as you can see, she had way more left over than 6 this time. This is a lot right here. So she didn't do quite as good without her thumb. And so what we get to talk about with this lesson is how back in the day when people wanted to access God, first of all, they couldn't. It was only a priest that was allowed to go in the temple, and that was after performing a lot of rituals to cleanse themselves. And even then, they had to bring a sacrifice and just jump through a lot of hoops to go into the presence of the Lord. Nowadays, because of what Jesus did for us, we have access to God at all times, which is just absolutely amazing. And what we don't do is we don't take enough advantage of that. Kind of like our thumbs. I think that we kind of forget how much we use our thumbs on a daily basis. Think about how much you use them. Imagine trying to write your name without your thumb. Imagine trying to brush your teeth without your thumb. Imagine trying to zip up your pants without your thumb. Your thumb is extremely important, and you have access to that 24/7. Just like you have access to God 24/7. So we want to teach the kids to take advantage of the presence of God because we have 24/7 access to Him. So that's our lesson for this week. Super excited. Well, I won't see you this weekend, but Megan will be here. So if y'all have any questions, feel free to just hit her up with, I'll bombard her with just everything. All right, we'll see you this weekend. Bye.